Rosalind, before both sides rested their case, state's witness Xavier Stevenson took the witness stand, taking sole responsibility for the story he says he made up as to why defendant Quincy Wade ended up in LaGrange after being shot in Columbus by the man he's accused of murdering. Family from both sides hearing this testimony today and sharing their thoughts with me.
My whole feeling is really, I'm just numb to the whole thing. I've been waiting 2 years plus for this moment.
Maurice Vaughn Jackson's mother, Cleopatra Vaughn, is going through emotions as she listens to evidence in the shooting death of her son. Cleopatra heard state witness Xavier Stevenson say he drove the defendant, Quincy Wade, to the hospital the night both men exchanged gunfire.
I told him the story that came up with that we was just gonna say like we was coming from Atlanta. I don't remember the exact story what we exactly said we were gonna say, but the main like we were coming from Atlanta and I wanna say he tried to buy some weed to my garage. But like I said, that was my idea.
The jury also heard from Columbus Police Sergeant Thomas Hill. The state asked Hill about the interview they did with Stevenson and whose idea it was to go to the LaGrange Hospital.
He stated that it was Quincy's idea to go to LaGrange Hospital.
During cross-examination, Kendrick asked Sergeant Hill about his interview with Stevenson and what he learned in that interview.
And is it true that you learned during that interview that Mr. Jackson was in the shower when it happened?
That's what Mr. Stevenson reported had been said to him by Mr. Quincy.
Both sides resting their case. Cleopatra Vaughn says after hearing all the evidence, it doesn't matter if her son shot first or not.
He was where he was supposed to be, unbothered and unbothering. He had the right to defend himself and whomever he was with at that time.
The suspect's mother, Jolene Wade, says she feels like there are a lot of inconsistencies in this case.
But I'm telling you, it's one common denominator with this whole thing, and that's Shayna Powell. And I think she should have got some charges.
Now, closing arguments will begin tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. in Judge Bobby Peters' courtroom. Live in the studio, I'm Amaya Graham. Back to you.
All right, Amaya, we will be there for those closing arguments in the morning. Thank you so much.